Hey you, and welcome to this video where I will help you out how to add a clickable link in your TikTok bio. I'm here to help you out and also to be honest, so I will show you today exactly how to do this. Alright, first of all we go to your profile, go to the three lines in the top and then click on settings and privacy, account, and then switch to business account. Then we do next, 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 next. Select the category that you want to choose. Now, doesn't matter, but let's say we want to do education, something like that. Then we do next, skip, skip. And right now we have our business account. So right now, if you can see, this is our business account. And right now, if you want to add a clickable link, people are telling you that when we click now on add bio, that you can add a clickable link right here. Or if you go to edit, that you can add a clickable link right here. But that is not possible, guys. You can search as many videos if you want, but they removed it. The only way how you can do this is by linking your correct business. So if you click now on action buttons and you want to link something, so let's say you want to add an app link in it, so click on that. It says become a registered business account. So what you need to do now is to click on get started, click on the terms of service, and then you need to fill in this whole page. Then after this, you need to do another step. And then after this, you will get the option to add a clickable link in your bio. So this is the only way how you can do this. So don't search for other ways because that's not possible. They removed it. It's an extra feature for business partners. So this is the only way how you can add a clickable link in your TikTok bio. Hopefully this video helped you out, and then from now, thanks for watching.